3-minute maths videos are going to be out every single week from now on, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any in the future. So the first thing to note with Pythagoras' theorem is that it can only be applied to right angle triangles, such as the one shown here. So the first thing to do in any question is to label the sides of your triangle, and we start with the one opposite the right angle, and we call this the hypotenuse, that's its special name, and we label it C. Now for the other two sides, it doesn't really matter which way we label them, we just call one A and one B. So once we've labelled our triangle, we can write down our formula, which says that a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, and that is Pythagoras' theorem. So if we actually visualise what we're doing in the formula, we are squaring a, b and c. So we essentially get three areas, a squared, b squared and c squared, and the formula says that a squared plus b squared is always going to be equal to c squared, and that is true of any right angle triangle. So let's move to an actual example now. So the first thing to do is to label our triangle. So of course we label C first, which is opposite our right angle, and we then label A and B, doesn't really matter which way we do it. We then write down our formula, a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, and then we just sub in our values, so we've got a equals 3, b equals 4, so we get 3 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared, which gives us 9 plus 16 equals c squared, so 25 equals c squared. Taking the square root of both sides, we get 5 is equal to c. So what about an example where we don't know what a or b is? Like this one. We label our triangle again, so a, b and c. So in this case we know what c is and we know what a is. We could easily label 8 as b and the length b as a. Doesn't matter which way we label a and b. So we write down our formula again, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, but this time we need to rearrange to make b the subject. So we get c squared take away a squared is equal to b squared. We then sub in our values again. So we have 10 squared take away 8 squared equals b squared. This leaves us with 36 equals b squared, so therefore b is equal to 6. I hope this 3-minute video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram as well as TikTok for more daily content. I do offer private tutoring, and if you are interested, you can send me an email with the email address on the screen. And for more free maths help, check out the 2 videos on your screen now.